Hi everyone. This video will present about transformer device. The learning outcome of this video are 1. To understand the operations of transformer, which is step-up transformer, step-down transformer, and the effect of resistive load across the secondary winding. 2. To measure a primary and secondary voltage and current for step-up transformer and step-down transformer. What is transformer device? Transformer is the simplest device that is used to transfer electrical energy from one alternating current circuit to other circuits through the process of electromagnetic induction. Did you know how transformer works? A transformer works on the principle of electromagnetic induction to step up or step down voltage. Did you know characteristic of step-up transformer and step-down transformer? Let's doing experiment using transformer training kit to identify characteristic of step-up transformer and step-down transformer. If we want to do step-down connection using transformer training kit, firstly, refer to schematic circuit on figure 1. Secondly, connect A1 to A2 and A3 to A4 with banana connector, then connect B1 and B2 to load 20 ohm with banana connector. Lastly, using digital multimeter, measure the value of voltage and current. If we want to do step-up connection using transformer training kit, firstly, refer to schematic circuit on figure 2. Secondly, connect A1 to A2 then A3 to A4 with banana connector. Thirdly, connect B1 to B2 then connect B3 to B4 with banana connector. Then, connect C1 and C2 to load 10 k ohm Y connector. Lastly, use digital multimeter to measure voltage and current value. How to measure voltage using multimeter? Firstly, set multimeter in AC volt range. Then, place positive probe multimeter to a 1 and negative probe to a 3 to measure voltage primary at transformer circuit. If we want to measure voltage at secondary part, just place positive probe to B1 and negative probe to B2. Then read the value in multimeter. Otherwise, to measure current at primary part, firstly, set multimeter to AC current range. Disconnect connection between A1 and A2. Then place positive probe of multimeter to a 1 and negative probe to A2. Then read the value of measurement at multimeter. If you want to measure current at secondary part, firstly, disconnect connection B1 to load. Then place positive probe multimeter to B1 and negative probe to load. After that, read the multimeter reading.
Table 1 show the data measurement for step-down and step-up transformer circuit. From there, we can interpret that the characteristic voltage and current for both step-up and step-down transformer circuit.
From the experiment, we can summarize that 1. A transformer is a device used to step up and step down the voltage. 2. The characteristics of step-down transformer can be summarizing as below: voltage primary larger than voltage secondary, turns at primary larger than turns at secondary part, current primary less than current at secondary part. 3. The characteristics of step-up transformer also can be summarizing as below: voltage secondary is larger than voltage primary, turns at primary less than turns at secondary part, current primary larger than current at secondary part.